Look at this. What is this? It's very strange. It's right next to the volcano. We have a lot of rain now. You see the volcano is erupting here. And here we have this kind of tornado where a strange thing happening. You see, it's going in circles. Yeah, it looks like a small kind of tornado. Very strange. So we are on the hill here watching the eruption in the rain. Let's zoom in into the crater. This is how it looks right now. And many strange things happening here that you don't usually see in life. Like, look at this. Look at this, what is happening here. It's all evaporation. That's where people usually come to see the eruption, even in the rain. Yes. I think it's only one crater erupting. I don't see any other. Incredible view. It's another nice hill that maybe I should hike there. Some people on the top. Rain is getting worse and worse. It is not good what is happening. There is no way to launch a drone in this weather. No way. All the best. It's too much rain. Can't hold it.